Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Amir Sultan, QHSE Business International CEO. I hope you are following me on my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 108. Before I proceed to chapter number 108, I would like all of you to subscribe my channel and press the bell button after viewing that. Moreover, follow me on my Facebook. Thank you. Chapter number 108 is about management review and the outputs relating to management review. The management review is an integral part of an IMS system and other ISO standards which needs to be done at least once a year or 3 to 4 times a year. In the management review, things like policy, objectives, risk assessment, health and safety, first aid, firefighting, training, fire extinguisher system, incident accidents, and things relating to that are discussed. Basically, this is one of the most important thing which is present in the IMS system and other ISO systems, which is done in a very serious note. At least one representative from the management or complete management should be present in this management review. The management review, all things which are told to you are discussed, and there are other many points which are part of that IMS system and other ISO system which needs to be discussed and evaluated about their performance. One more important thing about this management review is that when management review is completed, things which needs to be done about the management review output should be discussed also. For example, what are the future plans for the organization for the coming 1 year? What approvals there need to be done? What health and safety risk assessment things need to be evaluated for the coming 1 year? And what are the important things which need to be looked into so that they should not be looked out? So they should be checked, evaluated properly. There are many things in the management review which need to be discussed, evaluated, and confirmed and performed in the meeting, which are part of this, which I can tell you. If you need more information, analysis, reports, recommendations, you can contact me anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can reach me on my email at amirsultana@yahoo.com. Thank you so much.